Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. And today I wanted to talk about listening to your heart. I know it's like a topic we hear about all the time, and the question is, how do you do that? How do you listen to your heart? How do you follow your heart? Basically, when I say listening to your heart, I'm talking about that prompting in you that tells you, do this, go left, go right, speak out, keep silent, take this move. That listening to that prompting. And it doesn't come easy because the way we've been, I guess, programmed in our society is not to listen to it, to listen more from the outside. What does the uh, guru say? What does that expert say? Forgetting that we are experts in our own right. And it will take some training of yourself to actually trust those thoughts of yours. So when you get a prompting, follow it. However small, start training yourself to learn the essence and sound of your truth, of your prompting of the heart. It has a tone, it has a rhythm, and everybody has their unique one. Some people say, I got a feeling, I need to do this. Some people say, I dreamt, I need to do this. Some people say, I just knew I had to go that way. It's all the same thing. They are trusting themselves. So we want to move the attention away from the outside influence to the inside, your inner